Yeah, I've started recording.
Right. Can you see my laptop?
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, I'm Eric, and this is our lab 7 assignment. And now I'm going to show you our demo. And this is our dashboard. As you can see, me, Jeremy, and Justin are on the map. And the classroom is right here, GFS. And our application is late warning system. So like when we set the time at 11:50, so now it's 10:45. So when the time is closer and you're not at the school, and our system will send you an alarm. And when so let's I'll just show you how it works. First, let's send the coordinate. First is late. Now you can see I'm at Griffiths Observatory. So it's absolutely late, right? And you can see it's red right now. And next, I'll be on time. Then I just set it like this. And now you can see the pin is turning to green, and my status is also set to green. And where am I now? I'm at the classroom. And also the warning label is clear. I'll show you again. When you are late, you'll receive a late warning label like this. So our system will make you be on time. And next part, I'll head it to Justin to show his part.
Mhm. Yeah. So my part is just set up all the like the back like the cloud service. I have used AWS as our cloud. I use follow the requirement of the homework using the Ubuntu virtual machine, and I have deployed the things board on the cloud. So that's what I'm doing. You can see the instance is running, and I initially used the micro, like the free tier instance, but the things word could not be downloaded, and it's really slow in the instance in the like free tier instance. So I switched to medium, and yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, now we can see like the things for is deployed on the like on the server. Yeah, that's my part. I'll head it to Jeremy.
Okay.
Mhm.
And so my part is to uh, build a connection between the Sense board and our devices, which is our phones, and using the on tracks. And it's difficult to show uh, the the iPhone screens in a minute, so I'll just I already report everything in the Google Docs that we wrote. So I will just like verbally describe what I did. So what I did is I uh, successfully build the connection between Sense board and devices. But I think it is because of the problem of on tracks. Even we build a connection, but it didn't properly send the request to the Sense board. So uh, so the Sense board's latency and latest telemetry won't update uh by our phone. So alternatively, I come up with an app which is called MQTT Explorer, and it will listen to the connection we built between SimSport and devices, and then we can use this topic to to send the information to mimic the phone's request and publish it to the SimSport. And by doing so, we can now see the those information can update to the SimSport. And although it's not actually uh, sending information from devices to the SimSport, but since we already built a connection between phones, and the only reason why we cannot directly send information by our phone is because there is some issue exist in the OnTracks app. So we use this alternative method to mimic uh, this kind of activity. So this is what I do, and that I will hand out the rest to my teammate Eric. Yeah.
Uh, right, the last part, I'm gonna show how our system works. So we build our own root chain. So when we send our uh, longitude and altitude from MQTT, and we will receive and turn it to post telemetry. And after that, we save it. And after the filter, we can create late alarm. And when you arrive at the classroom, so it will be cleared. And next, I'm gonna explain the logic behind this. And like our routine determines the late status based on time and distance. For the distance, we calculate the difference between the user's coordinates and with our classroom. And we set a geofencing threshold to 0.005 degrees, which is roughly about 500 meters radius. So if you are outside about like maybe it's this long, this far, it will be send the alarm, warning alarm. And for the time the system fetches the real-time Los Angeles clock when the data arrive and compare it to our strict deadline, for example, 11:50. So I think that's how our system works and the logic behind it. And hope everybody be on class on time. So there's no more pop quiz. Yeah.
Yeah.